Hi, and welcome to my trading pit. My name's Lundy Hill. I use this channel to give you news and advice and trading tools for the active investor. Please note, this is not investment advice. I am not a financial advisor, and you can lose money trading. Today we have some important news coming out about Bitcoin and the entire crypto space. Prices are spiking up, and I wanted to get this information to you as soon as possible. Today is Sunday, March 2nd, 2025. Bitcoin and Ethereum have both spiked about 20% in the past few days, and I wanted to discuss why. Zero Hedge has come out with an article at 10:30 this morning talking about the Trump administration and how they want to start buying cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin and Ethereum, in force. The article talks about Trump wanting to possibly back the US dollar with Bitcoin and Ethereum. This goes in line with what Trump tweeted before the election, claiming that he wants to buy massive amounts of crypto as part of the strategic reserve. I'm curious, are we the first G8 country to do such a thing? If you know, please comment below and let me know. But I think this is obviously major news, the amount of Bitcoin and Ethereum that Trump plans to or wants to buy. He is also having a White House summit, a crypto summit coming up this week in the White House. I believe that is Friday the 7th. I'd be curious also who's invited. I have no idea. Elon Musk, obviously, but are other people invited who know a little bit more about crypto? Who knows what's going to happen, but I do know that Trump likes to take big, bold action. He doesn't do things in a haphazard way. He likes to shock and awe. So I think something big could be announced either Friday or the first part of next week, or maybe over the weekend. Here's the Bitcoin price. I did a video on this last week talking about the breakout of the downside price prediction because of the breakout of this box formation. I predicted Bitcoin could go down to $73,000, $74,000 because this was a confluence of both the Fibonacci 38% retracement level of the move up from August of last year, and it was also a box projection of the congestion we've had since December of last year. The box stretched from 90,000 to 108,000. We broke below the low of that box and we reached about 73% of my target. I would say that is close enough for trading. Now, I usually like to target 70. If I have a wave projection, I put my target, my take profit points at 70 to 80%. And since the trend is decidedly up, you might even consider putting it at 50%. Here's a zoomed out version of that. Now, Bitcoin price has gone back into the box, as we can see. That's a big spring off the lows, although it's an extended spring that's lasted about 4 or 5 days. But now that we're back into the box, I believe price can go 75% of the box width, or height rather, up to about 103,000 and change. That would be about the top 1/4 of the box. But then, will it break out? Nobody knows, but I don't think it will. I think you're going to have a reaction. I believe price reacts to the box midpoint. Again, that box is about 92,000 up to 110,000. I believe we'll pull back to the midpoint of the box before anything happens, before any new all-time highs are hit. This could possibly coincide with the news that would be coming out from that summit, the crypto summit at the White House. So how things happen in trading, the news comes out, euphoria comes into the market, it sends price spiking up, which is what we're experiencing right now. And then over the next few days, I think the news is going to slow down and prices will also slow down and react a little bit. And then more news will come out possibly from that crypto summit, and that could send prices spiking up to new all-time highs, or it could also send prices falling right back down to these lows around 80. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum is also in play from the White House. They want to buy Ethereum, but it isn't as exciting as Bitcoin is. Ethereum is still 60% below its all-time high. You can see the all-time highs around the $4,100 level, and we're still at $2,400 as of today, right now, Sunday afternoon. Note the spring. The spring is one of my father's patterns. The price breaks below that. It's a one-year low in that bottom red dashed line. It breaks below that low by a few dollars and then sharply rallies back up. That's a denial of these lower prices, and a bunch of buying came in. So buying support works sometimes, and when it does, it can work really fast, and that's exactly what happened. What Ethereum does have going for it, again, going back to the Zero Hedge article, these are the CFTCs. This is the outstanding short positions according to the CME and the CFTC, Commodity Futures Trading Commission. All these shorts have entered since about June, or actually looks like maybe even May of 2023. Actually, let's look. It's actually September of 2023. And that's when Ethereum price was in its congestion from 4,100 down to, what was it, 2,100? So if Ethereum begins a sustained rally, all those shorts, which are above the market right now, could possibly have to start buying to cover their short positions. This could add some strength to this Ethereum market, and who knows, maybe it sends it up to new highs. Nobody knows. XRP is also a big winner this weekend. Its price has rallied from under $2 to almost $3. Well, I think it did hit $3. That's a 50% gain in just a matter of days. This is a 4-hour chart, so it bottomed out, it looks like February 28th, which was just less than 4 days ago. So we've had a 50% gain, and the long-term structure, I believe, is still very positive for XRP. I like the chart of XRP better than I do the Bitcoin chart, and I have a threefold profit target on Bitcoin. You can reference, on XRP. You can reference a previous video I did for my price projections and the reasons why. But the big winner is Cardano. ADA is the big winner that I found today. Its price rallied from under 60 cents to end February to over $1.10. That's almost a 100% up move. It's having a big tail on the upside right now, so that's sellers coming in. I think this news cycle could last until tomorrow, so it's starting in Cardano to sell off now. Then, like all news, I think it will fade until the next news comes out. So I think start of the week, start of the week to the midweek, you're going to have a sell-off in all these cryptos, and then some speculation will come in about what's going to happen with this White House summit and what Trump could possibly announce. And then I think latter part of the week, we could start to see some more action. Thanks for watching. Please let me know what you think and how I can improve this content. Please like and subscribe if this content brought you any useful information. Thank you.